Welcome to Louis' Cook Show. Today we are making some fresh and nice burgers. Of course, burgers is nothing you will do in the wilderness when you're camping. But if you have a camper van and you have a fridge, this is a very nice meal you could do, and it's very fast, very easy to do, and you don't need to clean much dishes. The only thing we will need is the pan and maybe a plate. That's it. So we start with the bacon, then we have a little bit of grease in the pan and can burn the patties after that. On a grill it would be better. I just put a couple of pieces of bacon in the pan and make them crispy. We want to make crispy bacon. Yeah, I'm just doing everything because you can never have enough bacon. So while the bacon is cooking, we can cut the apples because we put some apple and birnen on them. We put some apple and other fruits on the burger, so cut the apple. The bacon smells very good already. Normally you would use a fork or something that you don't burn you. I just do it with my hand because I'm a tough man. Just kidding. Okay. Oh, this one is good, the bacon. Wow. Let's turn the bacon off. Okay, you should definitely use a fork because this is very hot. Now we have a lot of grease in the pan. Close up of the grease, please. Use that for the patties. Now there is enough grease for the piece. And we're gonna use the grease for this piece. Oh, this is good. Okay, while they are burning, we can open the bread. Just normal burger bread. And we wait a little bit until this is burning good. If the meat is getting brown on the side here, you can see that. It's time to put it around. Yeah. Okay. What we're gonna do now is put the apples in the pan as well. Burn them a little bit. Make them hot. Now we could already put the cheese on that. Put the cheese on that. Okay, this is going to be very, very, very good. You should definitely use some tool. Not go in there with your bare hand every time. Okay. I didn't use any oil for that, I just used the grease of the bacon. Okay. Now I put the bread on top of there, so this can already get a little bit hot. And the other one's on the other side. And now we just wait a little bit till the meat is ready. We're gonna put some honey and Preiselbeeren. I don't know the word in English, but in German it's Preiselbeeren on there. This is going to be very good. Now we're gonna put some, I use the hot mango sauce. Put some hot mango sauce on there. On here as well. This is going to be nasty. Nasty! This is good. These come at last. Now comes, patty. I'm gonna put the honey on top there now. Bacon. Yeah, that's bacon. Good bacon. And now comes the best part. Preiselbeeren.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
Okay, burgers are done. Let's taste them, let's see how they taste. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Bacon, very good.
Crispy on the top. The flavor of the Preiselbeeren, as you say in Bavarian, gives it a good sweet taste as the apple, but still it fits in the rest of the burger.
Everything fits together, yeah. We got a little bit spicy sauce on the bread, which gives us a little bit extra thing. But apples, Preiselbeeren, cheese and bacon together. Wow, look at this. This one goes very fast. Let's see how long we are recording. We are recording 20 minutes and already eating. And recording means setting up the camera and everything, like super fast. You don't need to clean up much, you just have the pan, some knife, and yeah. We're gonna eat now. We're gonna see us in the next episode when we will cook something great again. Peace out.